What's up you guys, this is Vincanity, and today we're gonna be learning a move called the hook step. Now this is a move that we're gonna be working on to kind of just help us add some little details into our footwork. Before we continue, if you guys support this channel, make sure you guys gently touch the like button and gently type a comment. It definitely helps the video get around and gain some traction on YouTube. All right, without further ado, let's get down to the floor. All right, you guys, so this move is actually pretty simple, and it actually is based off of doing the hooks. So the hooks, we have to start off on our tippy toes, just like this, and we're going to reach back and put our leg out and do a nice hook, okay? Just like that. And to do the hooks back and forth, it basically goes like this: kick out, switch sides, and hook. Kick out, switch sides, and hook. Now let's try that a couple times. One more time. Kick out, switch sides, hook. Kick out, switch sides, hook. Now as you get better at this, what we want to try to do is switch arms as we do our hook, right? So it'll look like this: kick out, switch hands, hook. Kick out, switch hands, hook. Kick out, switch hands, hook. All right? And now all this, we want to be on our toe the whole time to help us really stay light on our feet, okay? Now, the thing that we're going to be adding today is a little step, right? Hook step, okay? And it's going to go like this. We go hook, and literally with our opposite leg from our hook stays in the same spot, we're just going to go out, right? And then we're going to go right back to here, okay? And then we're going to go kick out. We're gonna go to the other side, hook, and then we're gonna step out, boom. Right, so it goes kick out, hook, step back. Go to the other side, kick out, hook, step back, okay? And now what we wanna try to do is make that step back and the hook look like a freeze, so that if someone were to come and take pictures of us, that those pictures are gonna look really, really nice every step of the way. So in order to help us clean this move up, let's really try to make each step of the way look as if it's a picture, okay? So we have our hook, and we have our step back, okay? And we go again, we go to the other side, kick out, hook, step back. Okay, so again, think of every step as like you're posing for a picture. Your mom wants a nice pic for a refrigerator. Boom, boom. Kick out, hook, step back. Kick out, hook, step back. Again, kick out, hook, step back. A little bit faster. Hook, step back. Kick out, 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 hook, step back. So what we're doing is working slowly, frame by frame, to really make it look nice. Now, lastly is to kind of add a creative touch, right? When you step back, think of that as your pose, right? We don't have to do the same pose every single time. So let's go back. Right, so we're here, right? We can step back, but think of what else you could do, right? It doesn't have to be stepping back like this. You could change up your arms. You could put your hand on your here. You could put your hand on the ground like I was doing. You could grab your foot. You could grab your other knee. Your hand could go between your legs. Maybe it could be something else. Maybe this leg isn't gonna be straight. Maybe it's bent. Maybe it's bent in like a funny way. Maybe you're gonna like hook and then you do like a diamond or something, right? It's really up to you, but think of ways that you guys can switch this up other than just like your leg being straight, right? And that's gonna be your homework, right? So 2 things I want you guys to work on. First, do this step back and forth 100 times, right? And I know it seems easy, you're like, oh, this is a waste of my time. Get through the 100 times, because it's gonna really help you understand the step, understand how to do it to music, and also it's just gonna kind of ingrain it into your body so that when you're dancing, it just comes out naturally versus like having to think about it, right? Anytime you guys learn something new, always just, no matter how easy it is, just drill it till it just becomes a part of you, okay? Second thing is I want you guys to get creative, right? Whether it's gonna be changing the way you step back or step out, or changing the way you do your hook, right? Or maybe even changing the way that you are gonna step. Maybe you're gonna step in the front. Maybe instead of stepping back, you're gonna go front, right? Right, I don't know, whatever you wanna do. But I want you guys to actually own this step. Learn how to do it and then make it your own. Own it, right? Make something that is authentic to you guys. Thank you guys for watching. And if you guys like this video and content like this, again, make sure you guys press like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. It definitely helps get this video around. Last but not least, huge thank you to Arnicare by Boron. I pretty much use this stuff every single day to relieve some of the aches and pains from training and just life in general. If you're interested in learning more about Arnicare, make sure you guys click the link below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.